Imagine a drone system that operates completely on its own, solving the toughest challenge in logistics: the final few meters inside large warehouses and complex facilities. Meet the S400H, the Autonomous Parcel Delivery Edition. It's an aerial platform that launches from its station, performs self-checks, and takes off, with L4 autonomy and no human intervention. This solution, powered by advanced vision-based navigation, operates without GPS or external signals, moving with precision through dense, dynamic, and unpredictable obstacles in limited spaces to deliver parcels. The S400H navigates directly to the exact delivery point, places each parcel accurately, and returns automatically to recharge and await the next mission. It's not just a drone, it's an all-environment resilient delivery solution, providing mission-critical reliability where traditional methods fail. Designed and assembled by IntelliFleye, ready to transform your last-meter parcel logistics? Please speak to our experts and deploy your autonomous delivery solution today.